To set Google Assistant driving mode lock screen notifications as hide content in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel and then tap settings icon, scroll down settings screen, find Google and then tap Google services and then scroll down screen, tap settings for Google apps, tap search assistant and voice and then select notifications, tap notifications and then you must turn on Google notification first. If Google notification is off, tap show notification switch until blue to turn on and then scroll down screen, find assistant driving mode and then tap assistant driving mode and then scroll down screen, tap lock screen, select hide content. Now Google Assistant driving mode notification lock screen notification set as hide content. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.